Students, now we come to the question number 8, and in this question we also have to find out the equilibrium quantity. So we have the schedule of total utility and total utility. This is the table, and we have the quantity 1 to 8 and total utility 30, 55, 75, 90, 100, 190, 70. From this total utility we have to find out the marginal utility, and the method to find out the marginal utility is simple. Marginal utility of quantity 1 is equal to 30, and the margin to find out the margin utility of the quantity 2, simple, we take the difference between these two utilities. We subtract 55 from the 30 and find out the margin utility of quantity 2. And after that we find out the difference between 75 and 55, and answer is 10. Then we find out the difference between 90 and 75, answer is 15. And when we find out the difference between 100 and 90, answer is 10. And when we find out the difference between 100 and 100, answer is 0. And when we find out the difference between 90 to 100, answer is minus 10. And when we find out the difference between 75 minus 90, answer is minus 15. So we see that marginal utility is decline, and where the total utility is maximum and become constant, there marginal utility becomes 0. And when total utility is declined, then marginal utility becomes negative. There we find out the equilibrium quantity on the price 15. Again the formula is same to find out the equilibrium quantity, MUX over PX. MUM is the marginal utility of money, which is constant, and we take it equal to 1. When we take the marginal utility of X 15 and price 15 and solve out this, then answer comes the 1, and 1 is equal to 1. This it means on the quantity number 4, consumer is on equilibrium point and the equilibrium quantity is equal to 4. So answer is 4.